Let's rethink farming. Most people picture endless fields of corn or soybeans, but that's a tough, crowded game with razor-thin margins. What if you could use a small plot, maybe even your backyard, to grow something unique and in high demand? Specialty plants, often overlooked by big agriculture, are sought after by wellness brands, chefs, skincare makers, and pet lovers. These buyers want quality and a story, not just the cheapest option. Instead of pennies per pound, you could earn $20, $40, even $80 per pound. You don't need a huge loan or generations of farming experience, just a willingness to learn and a bit of space. Find your niche, become the go-to supplier, and build a business on your own terms. This is entrepreneurship rooted in the soil, where your effort translates directly into reward. It's not just farming, it's a chance to create something extraordinary. Ready to dig into a new kind of opportunity? The wellness industry is booming, and more people than ever are turning to natural remedies to support their health and well-being. Among the many herbs gaining attention, 3 plants stand out for their unique benefits and growing popularity: Ashwagandha, Gotu, Kola, and Tulsi. Ashwagandha, often called Indian ginseng, is celebrated for its ability to help manage stress, boost energy, and support overall vitality. Supplement companies are eager to source high-quality, locally grown roots, and they're willing to pay top dollar for the best harvests. Gotu Kola is prized for its reputation as a brain tonic and skin rejuvenator, making it a favorite among students, busy professionals, and cosmetics brands alike. Its versatility means there's always a market for fresh, reliable sources. Dried Gotu Kola leaves can fetch $30 to $60 a pound, making it a profitable crop for small growers who focus on quality and careful handling. Tulsi, or holy basil, is an adaptogen cherished in traditional medicine and now popular in teas and supplements. With multiple harvests per season and steady demand from tea companies, it's a reliable choice for growers. These wellness warriors are at the heart of a real shift in how people approach health, seeking out natural, plant-based solutions over synthetic alternatives. By growing these herbs, you're not just selling plants, you're providing key ingredients for a healthier lifestyle and helping people reconnect with nature's healing power. The market is hungry for local, carefully grown herbs that offer both quality and a story behind them. Big agriculture often overlooks these specialty niches, but small growers like you can fill the gap and thrive. Quality, freshness, and a personal story command a premium price, setting your herbs apart from mass-produced imports. Grow what people truly want, herbs that nourish both body and mind, and get paid for it. Let's spice things up with 3 culinary gems: Sichuan pepper, Shiso, and Culantro. These aren't just herbs, they're flavor powerhouses that can transform any dish and set your farm apart from the rest. Sichuan pepper isn't a true pepper, but its numbing, tingling flavor is the soul of Sichuan cuisine. Chefs will pay $40 to $80 a pound for a fresh, local source. Its citrusy aroma and electric sensation are unlike anything else, making it a must-have for adventurous cooks and high-end restaurants. Growing it locally means you can offer a fresher, more vibrant product than anything shipped from overseas. Shiso, with its minty, basil anise flavor, is a staple in Japanese and Korean dishes. Its unique aroma and delicate texture elevate everything from sushi to salads. Restaurants crave a steady local supply because it's too delicate to import. When you grow shiso, you're providing chefs with a fresh ingredient they can't find anywhere else, and diners with an unforgettable taste experience. Culantro, not to be confused with cilantro, packs a punch in Latin American and Southeast Asian cooking. Its long, serrated leaves deliver a deeper, more robust flavor than cilantro, and it stands up to heat in cooked dishes. It's rare in supermarkets, making it a prized find for chefs and home cooks seeking authentic flavors. By growing culantro, you're filling a gap in the market and helping preserve culinary traditions from around the world. These plants connect people to global cuisines and cultural traditions. They're more than ingredients, they're a bridge to new experiences and memories shared over food. By growing them, you become a key player in your local food scene. You're supporting chefs, inspiring home cooks, and introducing your community to flavors from across the globe. You're not just a farmer, you're a purveyor of unique tastes. Your harvests bring excitement and creativity to every kitchen they reach. Chefs and foodies will seek you out for quality they can't get anywhere else. Your reputation will grow as the go-to source for rare, high-quality herbs. The demand is real, the margins are strong, and the opportunity is wide open. Specialty herbs like these command premium prices and loyal customers. Grow flavor, and you'll grow your business. Every seed you plant is a step toward a more vibrant, diverse, and profitable farm. The world's kitchens are waiting for your harvest. Your efforts can inspire new dishes and delight taste buds everywhere. Are you ready to deliver? The next chapter of your farm story could start with these extraordinary herbs. Some plants truly earn the title superfood, like Moringa, Purslane, and Fenugreek. Moringa's leaves are packed with nutrients and in high demand for powders and teas, yet most are imported. Purslane, often dismissed as a weed, is loaded with omega-3s and vitamins. Chefs and health-conscious consumers are catching on. Fenugreek serves both culinary and wellness markets, with its seeds and leaves used in global cuisines and supplements. Each can bring in $15 to $40 a pound. These crops prove you don't need acres to create value, just the right plant and the right market. The public wants food that nourishes and heals, not just fills. By growing these, you're at the forefront of a movement toward better nutrition. Small-scale growers can lead the way in supplying these superfoods. Find value where others see weeds or imports. Your small plot can make a big impact. As people cut back on sugar and look for healthier lifestyles, natural alternatives like Stevia, lemon balm, and Yaupon holly are quickly gaining popularity. These plants aren't just trendy, they're part of a growing movement toward wellness, sustainability, and reconnecting with what we grow. Stevia leaves are hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, making them a favorite for anyone wanting to avoid artificial sweeteners. Health-conscious buyers are seeking the pure, unprocessed plant, not just the powder you find in stores. Fresh or dried, stevia is easy to use in teas, desserts, and even homemade syrups, offering a natural sweetness with 0 calories. Lemon balm, with its calming lemon scent, is a staple in teas and wellness products. It's prized for its soothing properties, helping to ease stress and promote relaxation. Plus, it's easy to grow year after year, thriving in gardens and pots alike, making it a favorite for home herbalists. Yaupon holly, North America's only native caffeine source, is making a comeback as a sustainable local tea alternative. Once overlooked, it's now celebrated for its smooth, energizing brew and its deep roots in American history and indigenous traditions. Each of these specialty herbs can fetch anywhere from $20 to $70 a pound, especially when grown organically and sold fresh or carefully dried. That's a strong incentive for small growers and backyard gardeners alike. They offer solutions for modern problems: too much sugar, too much stress, and a desire for local, authentic products. People want to know where their food comes from, and these herbs deliver both flavor and peace of mind. Grow stevia for pure, guilt-free sweetness, lemon balm for calm and comfort, and Yaupon holly for a unique American brew that's both energizing and sustainable. These plants let you tap into trends in health, sustainability, and local food movements. They're perfect for eco-conscious consumers and anyone looking to make a difference with what they grow. Small growers can offer quality, freshness, and a story that big brands simply can't match. Customers love knowing their herbs are grown with care, right in their own community. The market is ready for something new and local. People are eager to try unique flavors and support growers who care about the land. Sweetness, calm, and caffeine, all from your own soil. Which of these powerful plants will you choose to grow and share? 2 plants, 2 booming markets. Calendula for natural beauty, catnip for pet care. Calendula's vibrant flowers are prized in skincare for their soothing, healing properties. Artisans and cosmetics companies pay top dollar for quality blooms. Catnip, beloved by cats everywhere, is in demand from pet owners seeking organic, potent, and safe treats. Both can bring in $30 to $60 a pound. Consumers want pure, plant-based ingredients for themselves and their pets. The clean label movement means people are reading ingredients and choosing natural over synthetic. As a small grower, you can't compete on price, but you can win on quality and story. Calendula brings gentle relief. Catnip brings feline joy. You're not just selling plants, you're selling comfort, wellness, and happiness. Serve passionate, niche markets and build loyal customers. Your garden can be a source of beauty and delight. Most specialty plants are imported, but global supply chains are fragile and costly. Buyers want reliability, freshness, and transparency, qualities only a local grower can provide. Imagine a wellness brand sourcing Tulsi from a neighbor instead of waiting on overseas shipments. Local means fresher, safer, and more consistent quality. For chefs, fresh Shiso harvested that morning is unbeatable. For supplement makers, knowing your ashwagandha is clean and local is a marketing edge. Domestic isn't just patriotic, it's smart business. You're not just competing with local farmers, but with the world. Your home field advantage is transparency, quality, and trust. The market gap is real, and small American growers can fill it. Step up and claim your share. Inspired. Here's how to turn a plant into profit. Start with research. Know your local buyers before you plant a seed. Begin small. A backyard plot or a few containers is enough to learn and minimize risk. Focus on mastering 1 or 2 plants and perfect your quality. Build relationships. Reach out to chefs, herbalists, or pet shops and let them sample your product. Your story and passion are your biggest assets. Loyal customers come from personal connections and consistent quality. Think value-added blend teas, infuse oils, or craft cat toys to boost your margins. Don't just sell raw plants, offer unique products. Your blueprint research: start small, build relationships, add value. It's a simple, practical path from soil to success. Grow smart, grow small, and grow your business. The opportunity is right outside your door. We've explored 14 specialty plants that offer a path beyond conventional farming. These crops serve booming markets: wellness, fine dining, natural beauty, and premium pet care. You don't need acres or heavy machinery, just a small patch of dirt and determination. This is your chance to build a meaningful, profitable business with quality and freshness big agriculture can't match. It's about joining a movement of small growers, serving overlooked markets and strengthening local economies. Every sale is a vote for quality, community, and a better food system. Don't get overwhelmed, just pick one plant that excites you. Start your research, see if it grows in your area, and identify one potential customer. Take that first step. The journey begins with a single seed. It's time to get your hands dirty and grow your future.